In this time, I wanna tell and explain about curriculum. Curriculum is a standard-based sequence of planned experiences where students practice and achieve proficiency in content and applied learning skills. Curriculum is the central guide for all educators to what is essential for teaching and learning so that every student has access to rigorous academic experiences. The structure, organization, and considerations in a curriculum are created in order to enhance student learning and facilitate instruction. Curriculum must include the necessary goals, methods, materials, and assessments to effectively support instruction in learning. From Richard's book, I learned first in chapter 1, the origin of language curriculum development. This chapter is about planning and implementing language courses and materials. There are characteristics of language teaching method. First, grammar translation method, direct method, structural method, reading method, audio-lingual method, situational method, communicative approach, and there are principles of language teaching methodology in 1920. Initial preparation, habit forming, accuracy, gradation, proportion, concerness, interest, order of progression, multiple line of approach. Curriculum development consists of step-by-step analysis, include environment analysis, needs analysis, and principles. And syllabus is how we are going to deliver the student. An important principle of ESP English specific purpose of language teaching is that the purposes for which a learner needs a language rather than a syllabus, reflecting the structure of general English, should be used in planning an English course. From McAllister's book, I got curriculum design is a kind of writing activity, and as such, it can usefully be studied as a process. Consists of three outside circles and subdivided inner circles. The outer circles, principles, needs, and environment involve practical and theoretical considerations that will have a major effect in guiding the actual process of course production. The inner circles has goals as its center. The teacher must have the principle for good learning environment. It means who is the target of learning, media, and teaching situations. Principle is the support for learning and teaching content, monitoring, and assessment. My perspective about language curriculum design is make a new kind of curriculum or a design of curriculum consists environment, needs and principles, and other factors such as content and sequencing, monitoring and assessment, format and presentation, goals and evaluation include the learner's present knowledge, lacks lacks of the student, the resources available including time, the skill of the teacher, the curriculum designer's strength, and limitations. All of this make curriculum effective and efficient. And the way to make a curriculum, we need to know that our students need media used to teaching situation and the target of the learning. Prepare the materials, monitoring, and make an assessment. Example of curriculum design that I can implement in my class. I will implement the curriculum in my class, especially for primary school. First, there is a core of competency, that is understanding about factual knowledge with the way listening, reading, and seeing. And the student should ask about the things that they meet in the house and in the school. And for the basic competency is understanding about simple instruction in the context in the school and in the class, and understanding the greetings and introduction with the simple sentence okay. After that is the monitoring and assessment. Okay, thank you.